Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Marcela Gudelo, and to continue with the presentation of Alejandro, today I'm going to talk about a production process of water purifying bottle H2O Life. Okay, to start, I am going to talk about the origin. I start with the pure water. The pure water starts with two elements. The first element is coconut. Before is the burning process, and before we have the activate carbon, and finally the transportation. We have the bamboo. The bamboo is cold before it is processed and is packed, and finally is transportation. In the second place, we have the filter manufacturing process. Okay, in this step, unload raw materials. Before filter raw materials. Die cut filter paper rims in this step, and filter cut standard size. Before heating paper in the oven, and filter making by means of rollers, and before is oven hardening process, and the filter is good. And finally the filling is filling on the filters, and this is the finally product, the finally purifying filter. In the third place, we have the bamboo bottle packing. We have the bamboo before is cutting and is bending process. We have the bottle cap making for the bottle, and finally we have the final product is the bamboo bottle, and before is packing from our customers. Okay, continued. I am going to talk about the supply chain. The live water purifying. Okay, in the first step, we have the raw material. Our material is come from three countries, from Indonesia, from China, and from Colombia. From Indonesia, we have the activate carbon. From China, we have the ore ball, paper fillers, and quartz sand. And from Colombia, we have the bamboo bottles and plastic. The delivery service from Colombia is the transport is tractomula. The three products from China is by boat, and the Indonesia, the active carbon is the transport is by boat. Okay, in the sales channels, we have 5 more lines: the chain stores, the sports stores, the internet page, Instagram, and in the internet service. Okay, in the chain stores, the company distribution channels, the delivery to warehouse, company transportation, and delivery of the order to the chain warehouse against invoice. The Instagram, the company distribution channels, is from, for example, Envía, Servientrega, FedEx, and the personal delivery to the client to satisfaction. This is our product delivery. Okay, teacher, this is our presentation of our work of production and process. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye, teacher.